Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This printer is HP OfficeJet Pro 9130E series or 9135E. What I want to do is to show you how to print photo from your mobile device to this printer and also from laptop with this printer. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure the printer and mobile device and laptop are connected to the same network. So in this case, we connected the printer, mobile device and laptop via Wi-Fi network. We need to load photo paper. The paper we have here is A4 paper. We're going to load photo paper. So this is 4x6 photo paper. So take the photo paper, make sure the glossy part, the shiny part, need to face down. So stick the photo paper face down. So this is 4x6 photo paper. Make sure the glossy part face down. Then go in. Then select tray 1, modify. Tray 1, select modify. Then paper type, scroll down, select HP glossy inkjet paper. HP glossy, select the size, scroll down and look for 4x6 inch, then select done. So this is how to load photo paper. You modify it. Now to print photo from mobile device to this printer, what you need to do is you need to go to wherever you save the photo, go to gallery. For instance, select the photo that you want to print out. This is the photo that I want us to print out. Select the three dots, select print, then scroll down. You will see this app, select HP OfficeJet. Then scroll down, select the tray. Tray 1 is 4x6 inch, and we are printing this portrait and colored, and 4x6. Select print. So this photo is printing. You can see how smooth and shiny the photo is. This is the photo we printed out. You can see how smooth and shiny it is. If you want to print photo from the laptop, what you need to do is you need to go to wherever you save the photo. So to print photo, go to the files, go to wherever you save the photo, open it up. This is the photo that I want us to print out, and select print photo. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to select the size as portrait or landscape. Is currently in portrait. Then select the tray source. We are printing from tray 1 and the paper size is 4x6. Paper type HP photo papers. We are printing all. Then you select print. There we go. This is the photo we printed out. This is the photo we printed out. You can see how smooth and shiny it is. Another way to print photo is for you to use HP Smart App. This is the HP Smart App. And this is the printer, and it's showing us the ink level. What we want to do now is to show you how to print photo. Select print photos, then print at home. Then you select the file that you want to print out. Select photo. Then you select the size, orientation as portrait. The size is 4x6. 1 photo per page. Then you scroll down, HP photo papers, quality is normal. We are printing 1, then you select print. There we go. This is the photo we printed out, and you can see how smooth and shiny. These are the photos that we printed out, the first one and second one. We printed photo using the laptop and mobile phone. This printer deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.